Hello and welcome back. We are honored to be your trusted partner in bringing your bathroom or plumbing project to life. Now that your project is approved and final decisions have been made, here is what to expect. A few days to a week before your scheduled install, our team will call to confirm the date and ensure everything is ready for your project. On the day of the installation, the crew will give you a courtesy call letting you know they're on their way. When they arrive, they'll introduce themselves, review the work to be completed, and make sure all details are verified for your accuracy. They'll put down protective coverings to keep your home clean and work diligently throughout the day, keeping you informed with any updates or changes. Once the work is finished, they'll walk you through every detail and answer any questions you may have. Final job processing to verify that all work has been completed as agreed will be handled in our office, with payment due upon receipt of the final invoice. At Maxwell White, our goal is a 5-star experience, professional, precise, and stress-free, so your project is done right, on time, and looks amazing.